Hi everyone, I'm going to work on birthing the bag the way that I figured out a few months ago, and it's just a lot easier because you got a way bigger turn hole. So here I've got a tote and the exterior's completed, the lining's all attached and everything. Here's the zippered pocket from the lining, and it has not been sealed, and the bottom of the bag is completely open. The gusset cutouts are here ready to go, and instead of turning the bag through the narrower pocket, even though this is a really big zippered pocket, this is 12 inches. Sometimes pockets are only 6 or 8 inches, and turning a bag like this that's got vinyl and cork, it's miserable. So instead of doing that, we're going to turn it through the entire bottom of the bag. This is huge here. This is almost 18 inches wide of a hole. So I'm going to give the phone to my daughter so she can, keep it like this, like that. And just try to keep it in the show. So now I'm just going to, with the zipper was already open, you might have to back up some. I can just reach in and grab the whole bag. Push it out. Straps all crisscross. There you go. And here's the bulk of the bag all turned. Pop out my corners. Here's the lining, which all I have to do now is push that to the inside of the bag. I'll need to do the top stitching along the top. And to seal the bag, you go in through your zippered pocket, you open that up, reach in, grab the bottom of your lining that is unsealed, pull it up through the pocket, and I'm going to stitch that straight across, get my gussets done, shove it back inside the bag, and then seal the bottom of the pocket. And that's it. The bag will be sealed. But I'll do that after I get my top stitching done. I just prefer to get that done first. So I will try to add into the video after, when I've got those steps done. You can stop it. Okay, here I am with the bag, the tote that I've shoved the lining back down in after sealing it. It's in the bottom of the bag. I pulled my pocket out and I've sealed the bottom of the pocket and tucked that back in there, straighten everything all out. And the bag is completely sealed and it's done. And didn't have a torture session to turn the bag right side out. Hope this helps you out, guys. Bye.